welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my terrazzo chips in different sizes. I'm just going to measure my jesmonite over here. I will be using all the neon pigments by Mrs. Collarberry, but first I'm going to try some mica powder if it works in jesmonite. I have added the retarder, but you don't need to add it. It was just unnecessary. It takes a lot of time to cure with the retarder, so you really don't need to add it. I have added some mica powder. It's a solid color, but as you can see, it really did not work. So I just went on and added Mrs. Collarberry neon yellow and neon orange pigment. And as you can see, I have laid this plastic sheet and I will spread the jesmonite evenly. I don't want the jesmonite to be very thick because then the terrazzo chips will be really thick. I like it in a thin consistency, so I have spread it really nicely on the plastic sheet. You can use a scale or a card to do it. And now, as I did not have enough space, I laid the other color on the other sheet on the floor, and this way I'm going to do all the neon colors, and I will show it to you in a while. Just be careful to spread it really nicely, and so that the terrazzo chips are not too thick. And here are all the colors. I did not have enough space on the counter, so I just spread the plastic sheets on the floor, and I did it on the floor, and I will just wait for it to cure. Now the jesmonite has cured. It has been 20 minutes, and this is how I'm going to just crunch it. This is a really satisfying part. Break it up into small pieces, and I'm going to do a combo of the pink and green. And here is my neon orange. I'm breaking it up, but as you can see, I added the retarder in this one, so it is still a bit soft. So that's why I'm telling you, you don't need to add the retarder, because it will make the jesmonite really soft and difficult to get off the plastic sheet. As you can see, I added the retarder in this orange and yellow jesmonite, so the jesmonite did not cure hard and it stuck to the plastic sheet. And here is my yellow one. You can see it was too soft, so it became really thin. I'm going to make a combo of the purple, yellow and orange, and I'm going to show you how to separate these into different sizes. I'm just going to mix these. So what you need for different sizes is you need to have a sieve, and if you have strainer of different sizes, it's better, but if you don't, then you can take any vegetable bag that has holes or a net that has bigger holes, so that you can easily sort out these terrazzo chips. This is my strainer, and here is a bag. It has bigger holes, so it's easier to sort the terrazzo chips in different sizes. As you can see, this has bigger holes. I think you will be easily able to find this in the market. You can find a net that has bigger holes, and this came with some toys of my children, so I'm going to use this. I'm putting all the terrazzo chips inside this bag, and I'm going to filter it like this. You can see how easily the smaller chips are falling out and the bigger chips are left inside. And we are done. Now I'm going to further strain this. First, I'm going to put these bigger chips in the Ziploc bag to secure it. This is how I store my terrazzo chips, and I'm going to take a strainer, and little by little I'm going to strain these smaller terrazzo chips so I can get rid of the dust. Not get rid of the dust, but I'm going to save the dust and use it in my jesmonite works. And here is my blue and yellow combination. I'm going to crunch these. Such a beautiful color. The blue is the seaweed color by Mrs. Collarberry. Really love this combination. And I'm going to make different sizes of these two, the same way I did the orange one, the orange, pink and yellow one. Sorry, the purple, orange and yellow one. Do like my videos and don't forget to comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. In another video, I am going to show you how I use these in my jesmonite work. This is such a satisfying process. Although this took me a lot of time. But by the end of the day, I will have a lot of terrazzo chips to work with. Here we go. All different sizes of chips. And I'm going to do the same with these. And we are finally done. Here are all sizes of different terrazzo chips with different color combinations. You can do any color combination with these. Stay tuned for my next video. I will show you how to use these. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Thank you for watching.